amazing learners! I'm so happy you're here today. We're going to learn something super useful in English. It's called articles, so let's get started.
Let's meet our three article friends. First, we have A and Ann, the indefinite twins. Don't worry, we'll find out what that means soon. Next comes the, our VIP buddy. And guess what? There's also the invisible ninja. He shows up when we don't need any article at all. Let's dive in and get to know them. These are the indefinite twins. Why are they twins? Because they both talk about something general, not specific. For example, I want an apple. That means any apple from the basket is okay, not a special one.
So, how do we know which twin to use? Let's start with A. A goes before words that start with a consonant sound. That means sounds like b, k, d, g. Words like ball, cat, and dog. Let's try some examples. Look at this cute cat. Cat starts with the C sound, so we say a cat. Now look at the tree. Tree starts with T, so we say a tree. What about strawberry? That's a strawberry. Here's one more. A basketball. Because ball starts with B. So when the word starts with a consonant sound, use A.
And here comes the second twin. Everyone, say hello to Ann. We use N when a word starts with a vowel sound. Remember our super vowels? Let's shout them together. A, E, I, O, U. Great job! N makes words sound smooth and easy to say. Let's see some fun examples. Here's our friend Ann in action. Look, an umbrella. Next, we have an octopus. Over here, it's an igloo. And finally, an apple. See, each one starts with a vowel sound, so Ann jumps right in to help. Here comes the, our VIP article. We call it the definite article because it tells us we're talking about one special, specific person, place, or thing. And guess what? The is so cool. It works with both singular and plural nouns. So, when do we use our VIP friend, the? We use it for unique things, like the sun, for things we already know, like the teacher, when we mention something the second time, and even for plural nouns, like the apples. But don't worry, we'll look at each of these with fun examples one by one. Let's start with unique things, the ones that are one of a kind in our world. We say the sun because there's only one sun in our sky. We say the moon because there's only one moon orbiting the Earth. And we say the earth because there's only one home for all of us. These are all special, so they get the. Now let's look at things we already know. Here we say the zoo because it's not just any zoo, it's the one near my house. When both the speaker and the listener know what place or thing we're talking about, we use the. Sometimes we use the when we talk about something for the second time. First, I saw a cat. Then, when I talk about it again, I say the cat, because now we both know which cat I mean. And here's another time we use the with plural nouns. Listen, the apples in the basket are sweet. That doesn't mean all the apples in the whole world. Just the ones in this basket. But wait, here comes the invisible ninja. He's sneaky because he never uses a, an, or the. Some sentences don't need any article at all. Have you ever spotted a word just standing all by itself without any article? Let's see how that works. Here are some times when our invisible ninja shows up. We don't say the love, we just say love. We don't say the India, we just say India. And we don't say the music, we just say music. See? No article needed. The invisible ninja strikes again. So, when do we skip articles altogether? First, for big ideas and feelings, words like love, honesty, and music don't need any extra help. Next, when we talk about things in general, dogs bark, books are fun, simple and clear. And finally, for names and places, just say Simran or Japan. No the sneaking in. That's it. 3 easy times to let our invisible ninja do the work. Let's remember what we learned. A, we use it for any one thing that starts with a consonant sound. N, we use it for any one thing that starts with a vowel sound. The, we use it for something special or already known. No article, we use it for big ideas, general things, or names. Easy, right? Thank you for watching. You're now ready to master articles like a pro. Pick a video and keep learning.